Hello viewers, this is Mr. Srinivas from Oxford Spoken English. Welcome back to our channel, right? So in the last class, we discussed about noun and its kinds, okay? Now, let us discuss about pronoun, okay? Pronoun. So, pronoun means it is a word which is used instead of a noun. It is a word which is used instead of a noun, which means a pronoun is used in the place of a noun. Okay, when we use in the place of a noun, okay, there are two times. One is when we do not know the particular name of person or thing or etc. There we use pronoun, and the another one is when we do not like to repeat the same noun for the second or third time. Example, Ramu is a tall boy, Ramu is a clever boy, Ramu comes to school or college daily. Likewise, we repeated here the same noun for the second time. When we do not like to repeat the same noun, there we use the pronoun. Ramu is a tall boy. He comes to college regularly. So there, instead of Ramu, we use he or she likewise, right? Okay, see once here, now pronoun is used instead of a noun. Instead means in the place of, in the place of a noun. Before we discuss about this, here we should know the persons. How many persons do we have? How many persons? There are 3 persons we have. Okay, the first person, second person and third person. First, second and third persons. So first person is a speaker. A speaker who speaks. Okay, speaker is a first person. Okay, here I is the first person and we is the first person. Okay, singular comes I and plural we should use we, right? The second person. Okay, the first person speaks and second person listens. The second person. So okay, here are singular or plural we use only you. Okay, right, here the third person. Third person means speaks about or spoken of. Spoken of. Okay, see here the singulars he, she and it. Okay, for the persons he or she and for the things it. Okay, animals, birds, we can say it. And the plural for all these only they. Okay, here these are 3 persons. Okay, see here the speaker. Speaker means, okay, for suppose I am a speaker now. So I am a teacher. Okay, I am Mr. Srinivas. Likewise, right? Okay, we. Okay, both. We listen to the YouTube channel. We are watching the YouTube channel as Spoken English, right? Okay, listener. Listener means the second person. So suppose I am speaking, I am a teacher. When I am speaking, those who listens, he is the person. Okay, he is the person belongs to the second person. Okay, you, right? I am speaking, you are listening, right? And the third person means spoken of or speaking about. Okay, now I am speaking about pronouns. Okay, Now, okay, I speak about the duster. Okay, okay, I'm speaking about the class. I'm speaking about the pen or marker, no, whatever it is. So these all comes. Okay, cat, cat meows. Okay, what I'm telling about cat. Cat is a noun, right? But here it is a cat, right? So it is a bird. It is a tree. Okay, likewise we use. Okay, otherwise she is, when we do not know her name, she is a girl. And again he is a professor, right? For plural purpose we use they are children, they are the students, they are playing chess, right? Okay, these are the three persons. The pronouns also, different kinds of pronouns are there, right? Okay, the first one, subjective pronouns. Subjective pronouns means, of course, what is the principle of sentence? Here subject plus verb plus object. Okay, in this place of subject we use these pronouns, what I am going to tell you, right? Okay, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, these are all subjective pronouns. These are to be used at subject place only, not in the place of object. Okay, so these pronouns are used in the object place with a different kind. Okay, you can see here object, subjective pronouns and objective pronouns. I becomes me, we becomes us, you becomes again you, they becomes them, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes again it. Okay, here it and you won't be changed. With the same rule it comes repeated, right? Point one more kind, possessives. Possessives. Here in the possessive also two kinds of possessives are there. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. See here possessive adjectives and see here possessive pronouns. Okay, possessive adjectives, what are they means? I, me and my, and we is our, you is your, they is their, he is his, she is her only. Okay, and it is its. Okay, right. Possessive pronouns. Pronouns become here my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, they, theirs, his become his only, her become hers, it's become its again. Okay, right. These are the pronouns, subjective pronouns, objective pronouns, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. And one more is there, reflexive pronouns. Reflection means self, right? Okay, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. See here I, me, my. Okay, here you can see my, myself, ours, ourself, ourselves. So ourself becomes ourselves in the plural form, right? Yourselves, they, themselves, he, himself. Himself means singular, you know. So that only we have to use himself. Again herself, it, itself. Okay, these are the reflexive pronouns, okay, which has self forms, so that these are the reflexive pronouns. Here one more kind, demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. Okay, demonstrative means this, that, these, those. Okay, these are the demonstrative pronouns. And one more kind is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun means everyone, anyone, okay, some other, etc. So these are the indefinite pronouns. One more kind here you can see, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns means which starts with WH words, just like who, what, where, when, why, etc. Okay, 9 are the WH words. These 9 WH words belongs to the interrogative pronouns. Okay, the last one, relative pronouns. So here the WH words sometimes become relative pronouns also. Okay, see here, I met a person who was in red clothes, red dress otherwise. I met a person who was in red dress. Okay, here who belongs to relative pronoun, right? So here the interrogative pronouns sometimes they become relative pronouns also, right? So this is the topic of pronoun. Thank you.